Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve this your ghost problem. As you can see guys, everything look like ghost. So how can you solve this problem in your Motorola phone device? In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. As you can see guys, everything is different in our Motorola phone. As you can see guys, this color guys. So how can you solve this problem in your Motorola phone guys? In this video guys, I am going to show you. So don't worry guys, I have solution for this problem. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys only one thing guys. First of all, go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon guys. And guys, if you have any doubt, so guys you can ask me in comment section. So guys, now let's start video. So then first of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, scroll it, and guys you can see your accessibility setting guys. So guys, tap here and guys scroll. Guys, you can see your color inversion setting here. This setting guys, tap here, and guys use color inversion guys. This blue icon guys, you can see guys, tap here, means off. So guys, now you can see everything is fine in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve color inversion problem in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.